this is our new this is our new screwdriver, and it's awesome. And if you can do this, and then if you can do this, you can erase where we stay the bit and then put it back in. Then click it in, and then click this, put this on hand here. That, and then slide down and up, and then if you do this, and then you can push this ball ring, push it back up, and you can choose what bit you want. This is the bit, and it goes in, and then you just do this, and then do this, push it up.
Great job. Now, what do we want them to do? Subscribe.
Subscribe on this